Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, today can be a little bit different. Over the last few months, due to not having much money, due to the strikes and mortgages going up, etc., I bought a few things on AliExpress from China. So, as you know, I am quite a fan of Chinese stuff. A lot of people aren't, but as you know, I've got the moped I just sold, the scooter, my main one, and the car MG made in China. But I've also bought lots of different tools and accessories and everything. So I'm going to try and every other week try and do something mechanical, but then also another week we're going to try and do a review. Well, I got this. This is not AliExpress. This has come from this country, but it's exactly the same. It's from China. It's exactly the same that you would have bought in AliExpress, and it's a media blaster. Now I did have a media blaster cabinet, but I spent more time cleaning it than I did using it, and it took up all the room. So I've seen this, a few reviews on this, so I'm going to give it a go, and I'm going to use bicarbonate of soda. Main reason being that if I use glass beads or I used aluminium oxide, it would be all over the floor anyway, and I worry about Jenny being about laying in it all and everything. So I've gone for bicarbonate of soda. I think the only thing that would do is stop indigestion, but it's a industrial grade, so hopefully it'll be okay. So we'll have a quick look at this and see how effective it is. Right, so let's have a little look at it. This is the hopper thing, which actually it's all self-explanatory. That just slides in and clips in. This is obviously where you fill it up with the media. I'll just clip it off there. As I say, I'm using sodium bicarbonate, so it's quite harmless, and apparently it does go everywhere, but it's quite harmless, so we'll give that a go. This is the quantity of media that goes into the nozzle. That just screws on when you get it, and so we'll have a go at that in a moment. And I'm just going to try several things out. This is the exhaust guard for the Suzuki FZ50. When I first restored it, I was two minds whether I was going to do that or not, but it's not perfect. But we're going to see how that comes up a little bit. I've still got the starter for the Shimati, so see how that goes up, comes up. And this is the bracket to hold the handlebars in for the Shimati, so we'll see if it cleans any of these nuts and bolts up and everything. So I'll get the compressor all charged up. I'm going to just quickly just top this up with this soda and see how we get on. Oh god, all over the place to start with. Okay, let me get this filled up and then I'll get the compressor on and we'll give it a go. Okay, so that's the little hopper's half full and their compressor's full up. So we're going to try it on these different bits and pieces. We'll try this one first, then this bracket for the Shimati handlebars, and then we'll see how it's effective on this. Might be worth probably just going over with the wire wheel in the end, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to put a mask on. I know this is quite harmless, but it's still going to be everywhere. So I'll put the mask on and we'll see how we get on with the different metals. Well, a little bit, but I think that might be easier wire wheeling it. Let's try this one. Well, that's not done much. And try this one. That's a bit better. Well, what do we think? Well, what do we think? Well, I would say 20% good. Give it, oh, for God's sake, it's stuck in there now. What do we think though? That, pretty much nothing. This one, well, slightly touched it. And this one, well, a touch of a shine out of it. So would I carry on using it, or would I just go for the wild wheel? I think I'll go for the wild wheel. The only thing that I think that's good as is just for curing indigestion. But maybe with a different media in there, it might be better. Maybe bicarbonate of soda is not too strong. But as I say, I don't really want to go down anything stronger with Jenny about. We've got white powder everywhere. So I hope you like this little trial. As I say, I don't really recommend it unless you've got you're in the position to be able to use glass beads or aluminium oxide. But as for bicarbonate of soda, no, I wouldn't really bother. So that's just a little tester. See what you think. Maybe you can try it. Let me know if you've used something different in those. But apart from being covered in dust, I think I'll go back to the wild wheel. So anyway, thank you for watching this little review, and there's a few more to come. And not all things are bad. And like I say, it probably could be down to the media in there. But thanks for watching, and you take care out there. And please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.